Notice that on the references page, we still have the running head and the page number. The purpose of a reference page is to help the reader find and use the sources that you use throughout your paper. So the things that will usually appear in a reference are the author, the year of publication, the title, and the publishing data. But the elements in your citation will vary slightly depending on what kind of source you're working with. So if we look at this first source right here, this is a book. And if you'll notice, we'll start with the first name of the author, or the last name of the author, followed by a comma, and then the first initial, followed by a period. Then, after the author, we'll list the year of publication, and that will be in parentheses, followed by a period. The next part is the title of the book, and that will be in italics, and notice that it's only the very first word that gets capitalized. Then we'll list the edition number, the publication data, and the DOI. This next source is a journal article. Again, we list the last name of the author, followed by a comma, then the first initial of the author, followed by a period. This article happens to have more than one author, so we'll list them both and then move to the year of publication. Again, that's in parentheses, followed by a period. Then we've got the title of the article. Again, it's only the very first word that gets capitalized. That will be followed by a period. And then we'll list the name of the journal in which we found the article, and that will be in italics. That will be followed by a comma. Then we list the volume number, the page number, and then the DOI. This next source is a website put out by the World Health Organization. So we'll list that first as the author, followed by a period. Then again, we do the year of publication in parentheses, followed by a period. The name of the website we were looking at is listed next, and that's followed by a period. And then we'll write retrieved from and list the URL.